plugging a hole in a tubeless tyre, first you've got to find the hole. Soapy water helps find that. So I've got the hole right there. Stick your cleaning tool in, which sometimes takes a bit of pushing. It's only a slow leak, this one. So then you get your other tool, and one of these. Put that through there, about halfway. Put some glue on it. Push it in about halfway, pull out the tool, you can let that glue set. And come back to it in a little while when the glue sets. Been about 10 minutes now. Still a bit sticky. I'm too impatient to wait any longer. Cut off the excess. Most of these repair kits have a little knife in them. It does help if the tyre's got air in it, otherwise when you try and push the tool in, the tyre just collapses, and it's more of a pain than just putting some air in it. There it is. And that'll do you until you can get a new tyre on. And apparently it wants to roll away on its own already. Yeah, thanks for watching.